Hey, what's up, traders? Today we're going to look at another option we could have made some money on, and this time it's on the downside for puts. So Gamestop, day before yesterday was about 300. Yesterday's low was near 82. So that is a decrease of 72%. So if we look at an option, the 145 put yesterday, you could see could have bought it near what the low was about 15. What was it on the second? Actually, the first. Could have bought it at 1550. Maybe got out near 7500 for a gain of about 380%. Um, and that's for a put, 145 put that expires this Friday. I had an idea to help some of you GameStop traders. If you're not sure about how much the stock should be valued or close, there's a website called financechill.com. You put the symbol in, then you click the valuation. Right here, so far, we only have 6, 4 hold, 2 sells, and this is the average of those 6. So those 6 estimate that GameStop should be about $13.44. So be careful out there if you're still holding, because it could go back down there, and good luck.